Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the lightweight handheld car vacuum. This 2-in-1 portable mini USB vacuum cleaner is a game changer when it comes to keeping your car clean and tidy. With powerful suction and a long battery life, this mini car vacuum is perfect for both home and office use. Experience the incredible 4000 PA high suction mode that effectively cleans pet hair, dust, and food from your car. With its compact size and folding design, this handheld vacuum is easy to store and carry, making it the perfect car companion. But that's not all. This multifunctional car vacuum comes with 2-in-1 nozzle and brush nozzle accessories for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas, like conditioning vents and between seat gaps. The washable filter ensures optimal suction performance, and with quick USB charging, you'll have efficient cleaning for your car's interior in no time. Don't let a messy car get you down. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the lightweight handheld car vacuum today. You won't regret it. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.